Welcome back to the tutorial for EinScan Libre. In this video, I will guide you through the post-processing functions for the EinScan Libre. So let's get started. After scan is sufficient, click here to pause scan. Here you can click the edit icon to edit the scan data. To select data, use a single finger to circle around the area you wish to select. For selecting connected data, you can use the Expand option. You can also switch the data type selection between point cloud markers or point cloud and markers by clicking here. During selection, if you need to rotate the model, switch here to change between selection and rotation. You can create a cutting plane to quickly remove the bottom surface of the object or other unnecessary data, such as the table surface or walls. Deleting those data also helps save RAM usage. If you no longer need to continue scanning or want to check the mesh data, it is recommended to click Mesh. This will wrap the current point cloud into a mesh. Please be patient during the meshing process. After meshing, you will enter the mesh interface, where mesh data will be displayed. You can export the mesh or go back to scan again. If you are not satisfied with the current mesh, you can click Optimization to optimize the mesh data. If you scanned with texture, after meshing, the data will be under a point shading state. It is recommended to click Texture Mapping to map texture picture to the model. You can click Export to export the current mesh data to a USB drive. The scanner supports exporting in various mesh formats such as STL, OBJ, PLY, 3MF, ASC, and LAS. If your scanner is not activated, you will be prompted that export is unavailable. Please go to Settings to My Libre to log in and activate. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to our official site. Please enjoy scanning with EinScan Libre.